Welcome to my lessons. Here, you will find simple, clear, and enjoyable ways to learn English every day. My goal is to make English easy for beginners through listening, stories, and everyday examples. Each lesson is designed to help you build vocabulary, improve listening skills, and gain confidence step by step. Learning a new language is like making a new friend. It takes patience, practice, and joy. Together, we will explore interesting topics, share ideas, and grow. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Let's keep learning and improving every day. Our topic is True Friends Make School Beautiful. School is more than books, teachers, and exams. It is also about the joy of friendship. True friends bring happiness, support, and unforgettable memories that make our school life special. In this lesson, you will listen to simple English sentences and learn useful vocabulary while enjoying a heartwarming story about friendship. Listening and learning together will help you improve your English step by step. So relax, enjoy the lesson, and remember, true friends make every moment brighter. Let's begin our journey today. True friends make school beautiful. School is a very important part of our life. We go to school to learn new things, to study many subjects, and to prepare for the future. But school is not only about books and teachers. It is also about friendship. True friends make school life happier, easier, and more beautiful. Without friends, school can feel lonely and boring. With friends, school becomes a place full of joy, laughter, and good memories. Friends bring happiness. When we have true friends, we feel happy every day at school. We look forward to seeing them in the morning. Even if we feel tired or sleepy, the smile of a good friend can make us feel fresh again. Friends joke with us, play with us, and talk with us. This happiness makes school life more colorful and beautiful. Friends help in studies. Sometimes school lessons can be hard. We may not understand math problems, science questions, or grammar rules. A true friend can sit with us and explain the lesson. They may share their notes or help us prepare for a test. Learning together makes studying easier and less stressful. We also feel motivated when our friends study with us. Friends give support. In school, not every day is perfect. Sometimes we feel sad, upset, or stressed. Maybe we did not get good marks. Maybe we had a problem with a teacher or another classmate. In such times, a true friend gives us support. They listen to us, give advice, or simply stay by our side. This emotional support makes school life less difficult and more beautiful. Friends teach sharing and caring. True friendship is about sharing and caring. At school, we often share lunch, books, or even pens with our friends. We learn how to care for others by helping them when they are sick or when they need something. These small acts of kindness make the school environment warm and friendly. Friends make memories. The best part of school life is the memories we make with friends. We remember playing games in the playground, celebrating birthdays, joining school trips, or laughing at funny jokes in class. These memories stay in our hearts even after we leave school. When we grow older, we look back and smile because of these beautiful moments with our true friends. Friends teach teamwork. At school, we often do group projects or sports activities. True friends teach us the value of teamwork. We learn how to listen to each other, share ideas, and work together to achieve a goal. This teamwork not only makes the work easier, but also makes it fun. Friends encourage us. Sometimes we feel like giving up when things are too hard. A true friend never lets us quit easily. They encourage us to try again and again. For example, if we lose in a game, a good friend says, "Don't worry, try next time." If we fail in a test, they say, "You can do better in the next exam." This encouragement gives us strength and confidence. Friends accept us as we are. In school, everyone is different. Some students are shy, some are funny, some are quiet, and some are talkative. A true friend accepts us as we are. They do not laugh at our mistakes or judge us for being different. They make us feel comfortable and loved. This acceptance makes school a safe and beautiful place. Friends protect us. Sometimes in school, there may be bullying or unkind behavior. A true friend will stand by us and protect us. They will not allow others to hurt us or make us feel small. This kind of loyalty is very special. With such friends, we feel strong and safe in school. Friends inspire good habits. A true friend also inspires us to be better. If our friend studies hard, we also feel inspired to study. If our friend is kind and polite, we try to be like them. In this way, good friends help us build good habits and become better people. Friends stay in our hearts forever. School life does not last forever. After graduation, everyone goes on their own path, but true friends never leave our hearts. We may not meet every day, but we still remember the good times we had together. Some school friendships even last a lifetime. They are precious treasures that make our life beautiful. Why true friends are a gift? True friends are not easy to find. Some classmates may just be school friends, but only a few become true friends. They are like gems in our life. They are honest, kind, supportive, and loyal. Having even one true friend can make school life full of beauty and meaning. Conclusion: school is more than just a place for education. It is a place where we learn about life, friendship, love, and kindness. True friends make school beautiful by bringing happiness, support, teamwork, and unforgettable memories. They stand by us in good times and bad times. They teach us lessons that no textbook can teach. That is why we should always value our friends, respect them, and keep the bond strong. Because with true friends, school is not only a place of learning, but also a place of joy, laughter, and lifelong memories. School is not only about books, exams, and teachers. It is also about friendship, laughter, and special moments that stay in our hearts forever. True friends make school life colorful and meaningful. They bring happiness, give us support, and make even the hardest days easier. With true friends, lessons become lighter, games become more fun, and memories become unforgettable. School may end one day, but the bond with true friends lasts a lifetime. Let us explore how true friends make school a beautiful place where learning and joy come together. True friends make school life beautiful. They bring joy, support, and unforgettable memories. With them, studies feel easier and every day becomes brighter. School is not just about learning. It's about the laughter, care, and loyalty we share with true friends who stay in our hearts forever. Thank you so much for listening to my video. I truly appreciate your time and support. Your presence means a lot, and I hope the message about true friends and beautiful school memories touched your heart. Friends make our school life special, and sharing these thoughts with you brings me joy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe so we can continue learning and growing together. Remember, true friends are treasures in life. Thank you again for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay happy and blessed always.